Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Dustin Cathcart from SMC Electric, the Cape Girardeau cluster. Here I got John Powell and Adam Anawalt from the Joplin cluster. How you guys doing?
Good.
We're doing good as well.
All right. So guys, what I have here, I think you've probably seen these before. This is our 856T demo for our stack lights. Have you guys had any luck with these here or anything? Kind of messed around with them, played with them?
Yeah, the art, we've had a lot of good response. Being able to move away from the incandescent, not have to worry about replacing bulbs and whatnot, and the multicolor and sound beacons and 7 colors. It's, people are really liking them.
Yeah, it's vastly improved over what the old A55 was, with enhanced viewability. It's a lot brighter. As Adam said, it's got the LED. Everything nowadays inside the unit itself is 24 volt, but you can still supply it with other voltages. It's done through a power module.
Here, this is our 24 volt AC/DC setup. So I got a few light modules and some beacons here. Now, I've actually have had someone ask me if we can install these outside. You can see it from a distance, and we actually used a green. And this thing was actually a lot brighter, even during the daytime, than I thought it would be. We saw it from a very good distance. So I know majority of the time they're kind of placed inside, but we have installed it outside too.
I've
Have you
used
guys
a
had any
number of,
applications like that?
yeah, I'm sorry. I've used a number of them outside like that, and just like you said, it's a whole lot brighter, enhanced viewability. The lensing's a little different on those things, and the LED is just way brighter.
Oh yeah. So the first one I'll show here, this is our green LED, and like I said, it's real easy to install. You just kind of match up the threads, and you just kind of click it in place, and it's stable, nice and stationary. And so I can kind of show you basically on this video here the brightness of it. So you can actually, on this 24 volt, we can stack 7 in line. And so what this is kind of showing here, these push buttons, this is like whenever you would receive different outputs for the different parts of the section of the stack light. So here I got actually 3 of them wired up. So I'll go ahead and I'll put 3 of them on, and I can kind of show you how that would work. So I'm going to go ahead and stack up my red on top of my green, and then we'll do a flashing beacon at the top. So if someone would send an output to like level 1, you get your green, and then if you would send it to 2, of course you get your red. And then 3, this is going to go ahead and blink there, as you can see.
And while you're doing that, I'll just mention one thing that's a big advantage. The old system used to have, you had to put caps on top of the top light, and like you had there, that one has a dome top, so
Yeah,
you don't have to add a cap to the top, and it's sealed much better.
Now they do also provide the caps for, like, if you just kind of one of these two here, you can just put a cap on there if you know,
Right.
just for protection. There we go.
The other thing you mentioned was that the 7 stack,
Yes.
and the old system was only 5, so that's another advantage. You're able to go up to 7 high on these.
And Dustin, too, on there's one thing that took me a minute to figure out. I like to try to figure things out before I actually read the manual. And so I learned that this guy right here is actually a little lock. So if you're trying to remove that right there from your demo, until you pop that up, you're not going to get anything out of it. So it won't come on.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, so what that does, that locks your power module down to the base, so that if you're taking the lights off, you don't unhook your power module unless you want to.
Yeah, and pull out wiring or
mess things up.
That is great info to have.
Yeah.
Because I mean, as you see, putting the lights on, it's not too bad, and it's pretty easy taking them off. So, like without that locking mechanism, as you guys said, it would be very easy to pull that off at the same time when you might be getting your lights. So
Yeah, and if you need to take that power module off and rewire it, like Adam said, you just take a little screwdriver and pop that white portion up, and that allows it, unlocks it and lets it twist off.
that's a good design right there.
And for those who are wanting to migrate to the new lights, but they've got the old 855s, we do have the adapter module.
Correct.
So
Yes.
the front end, the top side looks just like the new stuff. But the back side is the original that would made up to the 855s. So just something to keep in mind if you want to transition to the new product, but you've already got the old bases, you know, there's a way that you can do it.
All right, everyone, thank you for your time. And if you would like to learn more about these products, please contact your local SMC Electric office. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
All right.
All right. Thank you.